Good morning, fam. Today is my fifth day. I have a lot of plans today. I'll try to see if I can get a ticket to Mabala. I have a good friend of mine that I actually need to see, and if I make it good, if not, then I guess I'm not gonna make it. But if I do, then I'll show you around some places in Mabala. Um, and so, like my auntie, I didn't get a chance to actually hold my phone and walk around the city because they scared me like maybe my phone will be stolen. So that's why I pretty much, right here, sitting here, talking to you guys. But hopefully, I'll try to show it to you a little bit of it today because we're about to go out. We're about to go to church right now, and in our way, I'll show you part of the place where I'm staying, but not the whole city. Not the downtown or anything. But anyways, yeah. So far, it been a bless to be honest with you guys, like really. And for me, by staying with my cousin and my uncle, it kind of give me a lot what their life looks like and how how it's hard. I think it seems like that there's a lot unemployment in here, especially if you're an immigrant or a foreigner. It's hard to have your own license, but if if you're a citizen, I think as long as you have money, you can open your own business. But if you're a foreigner, it makes it harder. In terms of even to rent, try to own your own business, it's harder. They said you got to know someone that knows someone to get you get get your own business or whatever it is that you want to. But there's a lot of Eritrean that does not have a job in here, and that's really sad. But I guess that's what it is. Like last night we went to Hulat Habesha. Basically means that 2000 Habesha. I don't know where they call it, but anyways, that place is good. They had a live performance or whatever they call it, but it was beautiful because you got to see different culture of Ethiopians and performing in front of you, and you got to take some part of the Ethiopian culture, and at the same time I like the place because the whole place kind of tell a story about the Ethiopian's culture, and I like that. I didn't eat because I ate before I left there, but I had the edge. We call it mess or honey wine. It was good. We enjoyed it, and but yeah, I mean it was a really nice experience though. If you guys come, I really I prefer you guys go there because you guys will be able to see a portion of Ethiopian culture, and then their dance. Oh my God, it's so crazy! I'm telling you, we don't have that many culture, and we only have 9 ethnic groups in back home, so it's really nice to see different ethnic groups and performing their culture, and the way they dance is just like, oof. I mean, you would just be amazed every performance. So one at a time, you just be like, wow, it's just beautiful. I'm telling you guys should check it out. If you guys come, ask for 2000 Habesha or Hulachi Habesha. Sunomi Balo. Hey, my Amharic is on point, but Komutu Gabru, I mean, you do that. This is what Addis looks like on daytime. This is morning. ساعات كنا لها ساعات كنا لها It's 8 a.m. in the morning now. That's why you don't see a lot of people, but during daytime, man, this road is packed, like a lot of people. So, but now, the camera is not good because I'm against the sun. So, every doorstep they have a small store where you can just buy a phone card, do your grocery shopping. It's not that far, anywhere you go to. And it's funny. They have a church that is about literally 5 minutes, 10 minutes walk away from your house. It's just beautiful. So yeah, man, I'll show you the church there. Close up part where we staying at. So you'll see. So as I told you guys, the other church is right there. They're not that far apart. And the other one is right in there, right above my hand. Right there. You see that? They're not that far apart. So that's Kilana Mehret. And that's Gabriel. This is the Gabriel Church. Alright, we're about to drink coffee now, guys. Straight coffee.
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ወጣቶች ሴቶች ወንዶች
አመሰግናለሁ Well, we're about to drink coffee now. Museum Mihawat, Smarawadi, and Unit Sadrabun? Why not? Why Hassawi?
Bunai Gazette.
Oh, Bunai Gazette. Marahat.
Buna? Bigyan mo. Buna sa Tanzania na bigyan ko.
Bigyan namin na.
Oh, ay, weekend na nagana.
Kuru ya Hasan. Tuloy.
Oh. Intermission tayo.
Ante ito na magkakas market. Sorry.
Mazmut.
إذا مجمع كذا كاسب وصف مش قرن ذكره شوكولات مش مكيل حوي مش مكيل حوي تربح عند حدث ما يداوع أو كله مش نيجي كسر اللي هاتو بالفضل بس شو بك هيك مرة بس رجع كده بس رجع كده كده شك تعرف هذا
Sila araw ka. Beda no. Kontra gira aja.
أنت إسكت حجيكم ونر اللي نازع حسيتنا وتقول لي سمعني النر لا قبل أنا ممكن ذكرني أنت إسكت قلت بكرة كم ساعة سمعان على إن شاء الله رمزي أداني برا حجيكم سمعان نقول هذا تذكرني كي مسمع زين الساعة
تاك تقدر مستقل شلا لو يتجرب شلا
مرة اللي لعب يلاوي
ترى نلقى وانا كم سب نلقى ترى
مسمك الحاجة حق زراب مثلنا جميعنا نسيرك كم زمن جمر كم تدير بانكلو سمع زراب خمس غد من اللي قاتنا أنا جميع ده حركة مرة حد دب شلون داوي دو شلون داوي
شلون ترى نلقى شلون
هم من مرة
هكذا نقدر نجاتو
زي زيادة زي مزمور زي دخيل دم يعني زوي أنا لبي كم قلت قبل
هو ده رجع البالة عندكم
This